Are you fed up with queuing for buses and trains or waiting for taxis to show up and asking friends and family for lifts? Maybe it's time for you to take the wheel and achieve freedom and independence forever. Denovo driving tuition makes learning to drive easy and good fun, and the time you spend waiting for other people could be time spent with us, training for your driving test. Established in Peterborough for more than 14 years, Denovo driving tuition has successfully coached hundreds of learners, and with a huge percentage of first-time passes, you can be confident we'll get you through. In fact, satisfied customers have given Denovo driving tuition more Google 5-star reviews than any other independent driving school in Peterborough. If you've had a bad experience with previous instructors, don't worry. Denovo driving tuition can coach you from the very basics all the way through to getting your license. And we offer expert tuition and support for the theory test too. Our team of instructors are flexible and will pick you up from your home, school or workplace at a time that's convenient for you. And lessons take place in Peterborough and Boston and the surrounding areas. Don't delay. Learn to drive with Denovo driving tuition today. Call 01733 590019 now to find out about our Try Us and See special offer and to book your first lesson. Denovo driving tuition, preparing you for a lifetime of safe driving.